Yeah. Okay, we back. And today we got the granite installation taking place. I had to button up some ends, but they cutting it right now and getting the pieces put in. He making everything fit. Of course, there's gonna be some adjustments have to be made. This ain't the final, but also while I was here, I went ahead and put my back piece of wood so that we can make sure that my water line is behind there before they put that slab on, because that's gonna be a whole other thing. Also, I'm about to close it in over here so I can put this refrigerator in behind here once I push the water line out behind this wall, and then everything else will flow right in. But this has been, oh yeah, and this the gas line, of course, coming in. It's gonna be under for the grill. Hey man, you want to introduce yourself and your business?
Roman Stone.
There you go.
I'm the owner and installer too.
Roman Stone LLC, man. Owner / installer. And he gonna get it done for me. He only been here, this man only been here probably about 15 minutes and already got that first piece cut. So.
In-home custom.
Say it again?
We in-house custom. Like sometimes like this situation, we do the job
on site in this,
yep. With outdoor kitchen.
Okay. Yeah. He doing the infield. He doing everything custom in the field, making all the adjustments and modifications on site. So we're gonna be back to y'all in a second. Yeah, my man's pulled up with a trailer, and literally he do all his work right off the trailer. Quick little setup. Got a little table. Pap, cut it out real quick, and before you know it, he got it on. There goes the sink.
Perfect.
Yeah. You see it? We got it all wrapped up, man. All wrapped up. The outdoor kitchen. You see I got the stove in. Gotta put the slot to drop that in. You saw that on the last video. The slot to put in the grill. Got everything fixed all up, man. And it was an amazing price, man. Price I couldn't pass up on. Cause the original quote that I had for the whole setup, the people charged me, were going to charge me $1,600 and some change just for the labor of installing all this you see. Now tell me this, being that you gotta buy a slab of granite, it was actually I think a slight bit more than a slab of granite. You pay anywhere between $600-700 to $2,000 depending on the type of granite you got, you know. So that wasn't even included in that $1,600 and some change that the first people charged me. Well, this guy that I got, Roman Stone, came out $1,600, man. $1,600 for the install, including the stone. Killer deal. I mean, it don't get much better than that when you're looking at prices, man. Came out there, did everything on site, gave me the, got the thick edges, cause the other people with the slabs that they had, they didn't have the edges with the what 4 centimeter, I guess, edges on the end. They only had the normal thickness to it. It was all flat, like kind of like my kitchen. My kitchen and my house is like that. So I'm very grateful for it, man. Make sure you like, share, subscribe. Make sure y'all, man, put this video out there, man. This was a great project. Even though it's not 100% done, it's just about there. Why I say it's not 100% done, it's got to connect the pipes under the sink. I got the piping already in, put it in, put the water, boring stuff y'all don't want to see. and then the overhang for the exhaust for the heat from the grill and the stove. So once I put that on, I'm actually gonna close it out with the finale. But for the most part, it's it.